Both bulking strategies put you in a calorie surplus, but only one gives you visible muscle. The difference between a real physique and someone who simply got rounder comes down to surplus size and consistency. Dirty bulkers pile on thousands of surplus calories in pizza, milkshakes, and fast food, then wonder why they look soft by week 6. Clean bulkers eat plain chicken and oats and somehow still manage to gain. Which path is actually backed by evidence? The answer may surprise you. Funny moment: the dirty bulker looks into the mirror and says, "I think it is mostly muscle." His genes say otherwise. A 2025 MyProtein research review found that dirty bulking with large surpluses consistently produces more fat relative to muscle. A controlled study with a 500-calorie surplus achieved approximately 0.7% body weight gain per week in trained athletes with minimal fat. The takeaway: clean bulking at 300 to 500 calories above maintenance minimizes fat gain while still driving real muscle growth. The evidence-backed target is 1/4 to 1/2 kilogram per week. Any faster, meaning more than about half a kilo, and the extra is predominantly fat, not muscle. Step 1. Calculate a 300 to 500 calorie surplus above your maintenance level. Step 2. Weigh yourself every morning under the same conditions. Steady climbs, not overnight jumps, mean actual muscle. Step 3. If fat gain exceeds 0.5 kilograms in 2 weeks, trim 150 calories from your daily intake. Progress at the right pace. The myth is that more calories means more muscle, so dirty bulk is faster. The truth: dirty bulking adds fat faster than muscle. Clean bulking at a 300 to 500 calorie surplus with proper training yields sustainable, visible gains. Speed on the scale often means softness in the mirror. Today you took a side in the battle for a lean bulk. Clean is the smarter path, not the slow one. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 12, we answer the question everyone asks: 3 meals or 6, and it may not be what you think.